Hello everybody and welcome to a 5-minute video where I elaborate on research design and my area of TESOL research interest. But first, let me recap on my working assumptions about what research is to me. It's noticing and it's thinking. The noticing is a co-creative interaction between the observer and the observed. We all have a bit of observer bias whenever we're noticing. But what are we noticing? What is the observed? Well, they're things and they're processes. And we're trying to say something about these things and processes in words and numbers. In other words, we're trying to get a measurement. We're trying to operationalize the observed thing or process. Now sometimes things seem straightforward to measure, to graph, and to analyse, to say something about. Other times it seems we need a more holistic approach. I'm tempted to rank scale one observed above another and say that quantitative data is a dimension of a qualitative holistic pattern. But that would probably upset my positivist colleagues. So let's say it's a continuum with measurability as the slider. So that's noticing. What about thinking? Thinking needs to start before you start your observations, whilst you're doing your observations, and after you notice things. For instance, a door into my research topic might be through an ethnographic approach. So I might think that narrative and interview design might be a good idea. For both these research designs, I'll need to think about my population. What is their habitus? Are they representative? And do I have the cultural capital to notice patterns? In the TESOL context, there is an increased likelihood that the language we use to mediate and co-construct understandings needs more work. In other words, there's more chance of slippage in meaning. Now once I have my data, I need to think about what it means. I'm going to try and join the dots. At the moment, I'm thinking about using a methodology called grounded theory. Grounded theory is an inductive methodology and it's grounded in the actual data analysis. And it's an iterative process of noticing and thinking about the data. It does not start with existing theoretical frameworks. It's agnostic as far as theory goes. It looks at data, it tries to code the data, it picks out semantic domains, tries to relate the data to an inclusive concept, and by process of looking at the data and thinking about the concepts over time, you may have a theory. But why have I spent all this energy noticing and thinking, coding, theorising, more coding, more noticing, more thinking? What's the purpose of research? Well, it's change. Change. Change of your practice. Change of your community, change of your discipline, maybe change of the world. Here's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.